guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So I already have part of the makeup on that I'm going to be doing today. So I'm going to be turning myself into a clown, and I wanted to do just kind of like a time-lapse speed run video for you guys because I don't think I'll be able to post a scary story tomorrow. So I do want to have content for you guys, but I don't have time to film one. I'm going to be filming the story that's going up tonight, and I don't have time to do another one. So I'm going to be filming the look that I'm going to be wearing in my scary story tonight, and then I'll be posting like a time-lapse kind of tutorial almost of me following along to Giulianna Maria. She has a lot of clowns and skulls and stuff on her channel, and I'm going to be following one of her easier videos, which is a clown video. It kind of looks like a pirate clown and it's really cool. So I'm going to be following along doing her tutorial while also filming myself trying to figure it out. So I hope you guys enjoy. I know this isn't really the content that I post that often anymore, but because it's spooky season, I figured we might as well just do a clown makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys at the end. This is the finished look. So please ignore the fact that I'm not wearing a hat with this wig. This isn't really one of my wigs that I can wear without wearing a toque or anything, but a toque wouldn't really go with this look. Well, it might for the story that I'm going to be reading after this video, but this is what the finished look looks like. So thank you so much to Giulianna Maria for making this tutorial and making it fairly easy to follow. I followed along with it, and hers is obviously a million times better than mine because she's amazing at what she does, but this was actually a really easy tutorial to follow if you're a beginner that's looking to do like a clown. This wasn't that hard, and I think the hardest part out of all of this was the lips. I'm not very good at making the creepy clown smile yet, so I think that was probably the hardest part. But if you just take your time, you can probably make a clown smile that's decent enough for whatever you're using it for. My wig is driving me absolutely crazy, so I'm going to end the video here because I don't want to wear it anymore without a freaking hat because it's just so staticky and like tickling my face in every which direction, and it's driving me crazy. But this is what the finished look looks like, and I think it turned out really cool and I'm really happy with it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I know this video is random for my channel now because I don't really post makeup videos on my channel anymore, but I did want to create just a fun, easy, beginner-friendly tutorial, or I guess speed run for you guys, with me just following along with Giulianna Maria's video. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and please go check out her channel because she posts such crazy makeup looks. They're so amazing. I'm so obsessed with her channel. I've been watching her channel for like 3 days now, so highly recommend. I will link her channel obviously in the description box down below and in the comment section so you guys can go follow along. So I will see you guys at the next video. Bye.